Have you ever heard of bioengineering? It's a fascinating field that involves the application of engineering principles and techniques to biology and medicine. Bioengineering has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, agriculture, and energy production, among other areas. One exciting development in bioengineering is the creation of new materials and structures that mimic biological systems. For example, researchers have developed synthetic tissues that can be used to repair damaged organs, and they are working on developing 3D printed organs for transplant. These advances have the potential to significantly reduce the waiting time for organ transplants and improve the success rates of these procedures. Another area of bioengineering that is gaining traction is the use of gene editing technologies like CRISPR to cure genetic diseases. Scientists are now able to modify genes in living organisms with unprecedented precision, which has led to the development of promising new treatments for diseases like sickle cell anemia, Huntington's disease, and cystic fibrosis. Bioengineers are also working on developing new medical devices that are smaller, more efficient, and more effective than current devices. For example, researchers are developing nanoscale devices that can be implanted in the body to monitor vital signs and deliver drugs on demand. In agriculture, bioengineering is being used to develop crops that are more resistant to pests, require less water and fertilizer, and have a longer shelf life. These advances have the potential to improve food security and reduce the environmental impact of agriculture. Overall, bioengineering is a rapidly evolving field with enormous potential to improve our lives in countless ways. By combining the latest advances in engineering with cutting-edge biological research, bioengineers are opening up new possibilities for healthcare, agriculture, energy production, and more. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to check out more videos from this channel.